Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about how to actually assign an Edpuzzle video to your class. Once you've actually pulled in the Edpuzzle video and added any of the questions and interactivity that you wanted to, you'll be able to find your video in the My Content area. So if you go to Content and then click on My Content, you'll be able to find all the videos that you have created and added questions to. So to assign it, I just click on the video and then I go down to Assign. From there, I can see all of the classes that I have. If you've never done this before, you would add a new class. But I already have my class, so I'm just going to click that check, and I always do Assign All. I don't worry about a start and an end date because I am posting this to my haiku page and my students are going to access it that way and they get all their due dates on their haiku page. So I don't worry about a start and an end date at all. That's not how I manage things. And then this prevent skipping, I always turn it on. So that does not allow students to skip ahead. So that's very important. And then I like to turn closed captioning on as well. When I have done all those things, I just press the assign button. And then you've got to press on the share assignment, grab this URL, and that's what you're going to post to your haiku page or your learning management system so that students know exactly where to go to get this assignment. And this URL is just for the class that you've assigned it to. If you assign it to multiple classes, you will have multiple different URLs. Then to see if students have watched this, I go to my classes, make sure that I choose the class. I personally think it's easier to just make one class, even if you have, say, 3 different sections of AP Calculus. I always just make one AP Calculus class. I rather look through my dashboard of who's completed it and who hasn't completed it and figure out who to assign points to rather than having to assign 4 different links for 4 different classes. I find that too difficult. So I just create one AP Calculus AB and any of the different blocks that I have would all go in there. There is nothing special that you have to do to get students into the class for the first time. Literally, all you have to do is take this video, share this assignment, and as soon as they click on this link, if they have not yet been added to your class, they will automatically be added to your class. So there really isn't anything you need to do other than assign that video using that link that we just talked about. So that's it for this video. Bye.